Albert Einstein was a brilliant scientist born in 1879 in Germany. As a child, he was curious and loved asking questions, though he struggled in school. But his fascination with math and science grew, and he eventually changed how we understand the universe. One of Einstein's most famous discoveries was the theory of relativity, which includes the equation E equals mc squared. This equation shows how energy and mass are connected, meaning that a tiny amount of matter can be turned into a huge amount of energy. While this idea helped explain many things about the world, it also had a powerful and dangerous use. It led to the development of the nuclear bomb. In the 1930s, as war loomed in Europe, scientists discovered that splitting certain atoms, like uranium, could release a massive amount of energy, creating an explosion. This is called nuclear fission, and it became the basis for building a nuclear bomb. Though Einstein was a pacifist who believed in peace, he grew worried that Nazi Germany might develop such a bomb first. In 1939, Einstein and another scientist, Leo Szilard, wrote a letter to U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning him of the dangers. This letter helped launch the Manhattan Project, where American scientists worked in secret to develop the first nuclear bomb. In 1945, during World War II, the U.S. dropped 2 nuclear bombs on Japan, one on Hiroshima and another on Nagasaki. These explosions were catastrophic, killing tens of thousands of people instantly and causing immense destruction. The effects of the bombs were felt for years, with survivors suffering from radiation sickness. Einstein was deeply saddened by the use of the bombs. He had hoped that his discoveries would help humanity, not cause harm. After the war, he became an outspoken advocate for peace and disarmament, warning the world about the dangers of nuclear weapons. He believed that these weapons should never be used again and urged countries to work together to ensure lasting peace. Einstein's life is a powerful reminder that knowledge is a tool that must be used wisely. His incredible scientific mind helped us understand the universe in new ways, but it also led to one of the most dangerous weapons ever created. Einstein wanted his work to benefit humanity, and he spent his later years promoting peace and the responsible use of science.